Hi everybody, Lucifer here, and I'm back with Duolingo after a pretty long time. So I've decided to kind of change things around a bit, because recording Duolingo is, well, it's interesting to me, but making it into a video is kind of tricky. So I decided to make it a weekly thing. I'm gonna record it every day, but then I'm just gonna compile it into one video with some more interesting stuff. Like when it makes me translate "there is a man in a fridge." Okay, I have forgotten a lot about this, but I believe it's something like this. I actually got it. What did I... How? H. H, it's the H because it's lentition and all that stuff. I don't even know what that means. Wait, that was enough for level 3. That's sad. But what I will do is go on the animals, because I haven't done that in a while, and then you get these cracks. Which makes sense, because you always need to revisit previous things, so maybe I do plurals and eclipse as well. We'll see. I'm not going timed. Elephant. What are the correct meaning? She has a seal. Is this even an Irish word, the middle one? Maybe it probably is, but they picked it because it looks similar to seal. And I got that one. Butterfly. Jesus Christ. Look at what I wrote. A butterfly. Well, I'm gonna go for one more, just to finish the daily goal, which I actually set pretty low. But I'm gonna go for basics 1, because I need a lot of revision. You have the menu. This and this. That should be it. Got it. I remembered Biachlar, aka the menu, because the first time I encountered this word, it took me 10 tries to get it right. That one word. Okay. First day back. Not too bad. It did take me quite a while to do things that I should be storming through. But considering I haven't done anything for a long time, I'm not even surprised. Okay, here we go. Okay, I don't know, I think I'll just go through phrases, plurals and eclipses just to refresh them, to not have them broken. And of course I'm practicing without a timer. Jesus Christ, remembering some of these words is catastrophe because you pronounce it like this.
Cohortes.
Cohortes. But you spell it Comghairdes. Jesus Christ. Why can't people just spell stuff the way they pronounce them? My curiosity is gonna cost me my sanity. And Irish is gonna be a big factor in that.
Tom gemagur magad.
Can you say that again?
Tom gemagur magad.
Jesus Christ. How does that coincide with the words I see on screen? I got it.
Diaghív. Diasmuragív.
Hello? Hello to you too. But plural. My dreadful spelling strikes again.
Diaghív. Diasmuragív.
Hoiv. Dia hoiv. It's so difficult to learn how to pronounce these words. I probably sound like somebody drunk trying to speak Irish, which is kind of ironic. Diahoiv. Okay, I can do it. It's gonna take me some time, but I can learn this stuff. No thanks. Okay, I got that. Now plurals. This is probably gonna be tragically and dreadfully bad. And a lot worse than the last video I made. Last part of the video, because it's one video, but I'm recording it for several days, then compiling it together. It's a mess. Luha, yes. What? Yeah, where does this come from? Where does Iad come from? Jesus Christ. I am definitely opening the discussion about this. Open in the new goddamn tab. Thank you. The girls eat sandwiches. No. Kalini? No, let's see. Completely wrong, huh? Vishana Kalini. Yeah, okay. I got it right. I got this one right. No squiggle here. Got it. Okay, I know this one. Poland, no. Fishke? What? Why did I miss? It's not the animals, it's... The now was... too much. Jesus Christ. I'm losing it. What? I forgot the I. I am... Did I get it right now? Yes, thank you. What? How did the G get in there? Okay, relax. I got a few words left. And that's it. Grazie. Because there's nothing more appropriate than ending an Irish lesson with an Italian thank you. I don't even speak Italian. And eclipses. So this is gonna be the last video of this week. I did not record in Saturday because I felt like a dumpster fire on heroin, as I like to say. So what I need to do is, what I'm planning to do is go through basic stew, food and lentition. So I'm going to restore these, which seems like a good idea because I do need to remind myself game.
An páiste.
And I get to advance a bit. What is this? I forgot. Child. The child. I made this joke so many times that I'm probably editing it here right about now. Well, I did that. Now I'm doing this. Practice without timer. Always. Entrata. Strawberry sutalon, I remember that. Okay, now let me try to see on my own. I believe this is going to be, and this is going to be. Okay, I messed this one up. Oh, think I understand how the accents are placed. It's based on which one of these do you pronounce. So, Vegetor, you pronounce the O, not the I, and Glossary, you pronounce the I, and Stieg, you have the E. Okay, I think I actually... Wait, Asian. Yeah, you pronounce both of these, so it doesn't need the accent, I presume. Why did I mess up? Oh, I messed the E here. Which is also kind of pronounced in the word, but not really, but it is. This is a very weird language.
An tráta.
One left. Where am I? Get the hell out of there. Now, do I try to go for lentitions, or do I try practicing a bit? I think I'm gonna go for lentitions because I can't just keep repeating all of these for practice. I need some progress, and Jesus Christ, if I wanted, I could get into the promotion zone easy. Thing is that I don't really care. Lentition. Okay. And this is a bit about lentition which I should probably read in my free time, aka once I finish this video. For now, I'm just gonna start a lesson. So if she has peaches, then no H here. But if she has somebody else's peaches, then the H comes in. Tana. Feitsaga. Eki. Tamilsan sa hösnyor. Okay. She has ta Feitsaga. Eki.
Den úl.
Then wool of the apple. I never understood this. Why of the apple? I never understood why it makes me translate this, but okay, I messed this up before, so ta an H goes here, yes. Ta Feitsaga, Argus, na Milshan, sa, and I'm only going to check Nope. Without this here, I think. I messed the I here, and I misspelled this. Not too bad, actually. I believe this was the only mistake I made. I did help myself a lot with the bracket. Wait, one? I made it. I went for it once. I went for start, not for the key. How the hell did I unlock level 4? I am very confused. Okay, I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna call it a day here and go to edit these videos. And I'm not gonna put them in the regular schedule because they are going they are coming out weekly, Duolingo videos. So they're gonna be a lot of work and they're gonna come once a week. But I don't think making them into regular schedule would work because it would just be over flooding. I'm making a gaming video every day. I try to. I make an exercise vlog every day. Mostly I didn't do it yesterday because, as I said, I was feeling like a dumpster fire on heroin. And doing 3 videos in one day, no thank you. Even if I do minimal editing, it would drive me insane. So yeah, I'm just gonna make them weekly and try to edit some funny parts, some interesting parts I find. So yeah, if you enjoy the videos, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yours to the mind hope for. And bye.